taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world.
Good morning! Welcome to our kitchen. Good morning guys! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make it a really nice cuisine from Philippines. This is the lugaw, is arroz caldo. Ngayon, ang arroz caldo ko ay lalagyan ko siya ng chicken kidney and liver, yun atay at saka manok. People, this is my recipe around me. So guys, this is my recipe. I have a chicken kidney I already boiled, and chicken liver. Look at this. Ayan. Chicken manok. Ayan, nilaga ko na yung manok. I'm already boiled the chicken just now. So nice and soft. This is the rice. I put jasmine rice so nice. I have dry garlic, pepper, salt, and patis, of course, fish sauce, and we have chicken stock and onion, garlic. Of course, I have chive. You can put as well spring onion, and this is ginger. Okay, let's start now. I have already oil and the pan's getting hot. Okay guys, ayan, unahin natin yung sibuyas, onion, and garlic. Okay, lagyan na natin yung putting chicken stock as well. Of course, ginger, alright, ginger. And then mix together. Wow, ang sarap ng amoy. It's really good. If you like, you put egg. You can put as well before a boiled egg. But I don't like to put the egg at the moment. Okay, it's nice and tasty. Okay guys, lagay natin yung chicken. Ayan. I boiled the chicken. Chicken wing. Kailangan natin yung sabaw. Nice and fresh chicken. Okay guys, and then following the chicken liver and chicken kidney. That's delicious. Wow, amazing, isn't it? And I need salt. Pepper and fish sauce. Okay. Lagay natin yung kanin. Plus the rice. And haluin. Mix it all together. Wow. That's amazing. You need to be gentle, and then this is the soup of chicken. Nice. And then mix it. Look at that. Wow. Sarap. You need to boil this, guys. Look at that, people. Ayan na. Oh, amazing. Hi guys, look at that delicious arroz caldo. Wow, look at people. This is chicken wings with level chicken and kidney chicken, yung atay at saka yung kidney chicken at saka chicken wings. Masarap. Ayan, look at this. Amazing, yeah. Wow, so delicious. Look at that. It's Philippine dish. Amazing. This is already cooked, by the way, guys. The rice already cooked, boiling. I boiled, and the meat already boiled as well. So this one need to be a little bit warm up and boiled, and should be done in a minute. Ayan po. Anyway, people, guys, nakuluan na to lahat. Luto na siya, and because pinakuloan ko na tong atay at saka yung chicken at saka yung kanin, so it's really easy now to make it. And I just make everything, the ingredient, and a few minutes is all done. Luto na po. So kakain na tayo at masarap, at ang amo niya ay napakasarap. Arroz caldo, lugaw, Philippine dish. Okay guys, ayan. Amazing. Guys, look at that. So incredible, isn't it? Wow, it's all done, people. Tikman natin, ha? What is the taste? Perfect. Beautiful. Hi guys. Lagay na natin ito sa plato. Wow. Set na natin siya. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya ng maraming halo para masarap. Ayan guys. Wow. Amazing, yeah. Look at that, guys. So great. Lagyan ko siya ng onion, garlic. This is garlic, dry garlic. And then, of course, sparkling with the green thing in. Okay. Ayan. Wow. Look amazing and delicious, people. Look at that. The smell really good. Wow, it's amazing, isn't it? Wow. Look at that. So great and so amazing and so delicious. Perfect for everyone. Ang sarap niyan, arroz caldo. Hi guys! Sana po nagustuhan niyo ang aking arroz caldo recipe today. Is Philippine cuisine is amazing and delicious. It's delicious. It smells good. Okay, may halo siyang atay, chicken, at atay, kidney chicken. So guys, ang sarap. Tikman natin and hopefully you like it. Tingnan natin, ha. Sarap. Tingnan mo yung bawang, yung garlic, dried garlic, it smell good. Wow, look at that. Chicken. Ang init. Sarap. My favorite. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you like it. And give thumbs up for me. Bye now. See you later. Thank you. See you in my next video. Hi guys, I cook Arroz Caldo local Philippine cuisine. I try Ricardo, as you can eat now. This is from Portugal. He's from Portugal. I'm from Philippines, so we eat. What inside?
What should we do next?
Muela.
Really?
Muela.
Or still learning.
National tracking.
What is my
for my glasses.
Philippine food?
Because
Is that
this
yummy
past days
or
I'm
what?
getting
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah,
Mm.
because of my eyes.
Chicken liver.
I love it. Do you like Arroz Caldo
Yeah,
logo?
very nice, yeah.
It's
We are
Philippine.
on our way.
A lot of flavor.
Yeah.
my
Okay, this is the Portuguese guys eating a Philippine food. Well done, Ricardo.
We are
You
just
love it?
walking,
Yum,
going
yum.
there. Yes,
Yummy,
it's
yummy.
close to my house
With
also.
rice. Oh, fantastico.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love